Hey, welcome. So we live in this world that is just designed to steal our attention, right? Well, today we're going to talk about a super simple, kind of old school way to get it back. Let's dive right in.
So, does this sound familiar? You're busy all day. You're bouncing between tasks, answering messages, clearing out notifications. But then, at the end of the day, you kind of look back and you feel like you haven't made any real progress on the stuff that actually matters. Yeah, you are definitely not alone.
And look, that feeling, it's not just in your head. It is a very real symptom of what a lot of people are calling the modern productivity crisis. So let's ask the question, what are the forces that are actually working against our focus?
Okay, so what's really going on here? Well, the very technology that was supposed to make us more efficient has, ironically, become this source of just endless distraction. Our brains, they're now wired to expect this constant stream of pings and updates. But maybe the biggest illusion we've all bought into is this idea of multitasking. We think we're doing two things at once, but really, our brain is just switching back and forth super fast, and all that does is burn through our mental energy and leave us feeling totally exhausted and unfocused.
But what if the solution wasn't some complex new app or a total life overhaul? What if it was something much, much simpler? What if it was just a timer?
This is where the Pomodoro Technique comes in. It's a time management method that was actually developed way back in the late 1980s, and it was created by a university student named Francesco Cirillo who was, you guessed it, really struggling to focus.
So why the name? Pomodoro is just Italian for tomato. And that's because Cirillo literally grabbed the only timer he could find in his kitchen, a little tomato-shaped kitchen timer. And it's kind of the perfect reminder that you don't need fancy tech to solve a really fundamental human problem.
So, what exactly is a Pomodoro? Well, it's one single 25-minute block of focused, completely uninterrupted work. That right there is the core unit of the entire system. And after that 25 minutes is up, you take a short break. That's it. Simple, right?
Okay, so how do you actually do it? The process is, and I love this part, beautifully straightforward. Let's just walk through the steps together.
All right, the process itself is incredibly simple. First, you pick one task, and only one. Then you work on it with total 100% focus for 25 minutes. When that timer goes off, you stop. Seriously, stop, no matter where you are in the sentence. Then you take a short 5-minute break. Now, the key is, after you've done 4 of these focus sprints, you reward yourself with a longer, more substantial break, maybe 15 to 30 minutes, to really let your brain reset.
Now listen up, because this is absolutely crucial. If you only take one thing away about the method, let it be this. The single most important rule is to eliminate all distractions during that 25-minute sprint. I'm talking turn off your phone notifications, close all those extra browser tabs, maybe even put your phone in another room. A Pomodoro is a sacred, protected block of time.
I know what you're thinking. It sounds almost too simple to actually be effective, right? But believe it or not, there's some really solid science behind why this method works so darn well. So let's get into the psychology of it.
So, for real, why does a simple timer have such a huge impact on our focus and our productivity? What is actually happening inside our brains when that clock is ticking?
Well, this technique basically hacks your brain's natural tendencies. By forcing you to single task, it helps calm down that part of your brain that feels totally overwhelmed. And those little short breaks, they act like a pressure release valve, preventing that mental fatigue before it even has a chance to start. And what about that little monster we call procrastination? Well, it kind of tricks it. Come on, anyone can do something for just 25 minutes, right? It's a super low-stakes commitment that makes starting a huge, scary task feel, easy.
And this isn't just theory. We've got some science to back it up. A 2011 study from the University of Illinois basically confirmed what Cirillo discovered by accident all those years ago. They found that taking brief breaks and just diverting your attention for a moment actually improves your ability to focus on a task for long periods. The Pomodoro Technique, it's a perfect practical application of that exact finding.
Okay, so the theory is solid, but what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's talk about putting it into practice, whether you're sitting at a desk all day or you're a student cramming for an exam.
So this technique is incredibly versatile. In the workplace, think of it as a powerful weapon against that constant barrage of emails and Slack messages. You can dedicate a few Pomodoros to a really complex task, like writing a big report, and you'll be shocked at how quickly you can get it done. And for students, oh man, it's a total lifesaver for studying. It helps you break down huge assignments or exam prep into these manageable, super focused sessions. Convinced yet? Well, the good news is you don't actually need a tomato-shaped kitchen timer to get started. Modern tech has made this incredibly easy. There are tons of great apps out there. Some, like the Forest app, make a game out of it. You literally grow a virtual tree if you stay focused. Others, like Focus To Do, integrate the timer right into your task list. But honestly, even a simple browser extension or your phone's built-in timer works perfectly.
My advice is always to start small. Don't try to plan your entire day in Pomodoros right off the bat. That's a recipe for failure. Just commit to doing one. Just one.
So I want to leave you with a little challenge. As soon as this is over, I want you to pick that one task. You know the one you've been dreading? Then set any timer you have for 25 minutes. And for that short time, just give that single task your complete, undivided attention. That's it. And then just notice how it feels to have made real, tangible progress on something important. So I'll leave you with this question. Think about it right now. What is that one nagging, important task that you could make some serious progress on, or maybe even finish completely, with just 25 minutes of pure, uninterrupted focus? Go on, give it a try. I think you're going to be surprised.